Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install .NET SDK in Windows. So first open your browser and here simply search .NET SDK. Now just click on this first website which is .NET SDK. It is from Microsoft.com. I will also mention the link in the description for your convenience. So just click on it and open it. And here just click on downloads. Guys, I will mention this link in my description for your convenience. Here you can see .NET 9.0 which is a standard term support, and you can also get .NET 8.0 which is long term support. So here we will download long term support since we are downloading for Windows. So here just click on download .NET SDK. And it will start to download automatically. If you can see, it is downloading. If it does not start download automatically, then just click here and it will start to download. Now you can see it is downloading, so just wait for it to complete. Now once this .NET SDK.exe file is downloaded, just double click on it and let me minimize the browser. Now the installation wizard will open. Here just click on install and it will ask, do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? So click yes and it will start to install. Now it is installing, so just wait for it to complete. Now once the installation completed, just click on close here. Now go to your Windows search bar and here just type cmd and just open your command prompt. And here you just type .NET space hyphen info, then just hit enter. You will get this complete information about .NET. You will also get where it installed. It installed under C drive under program files. You will get this version number. Now I am going to show you what type of application we can create here using .NET SDK. So here just type .NET space new space then list, then just hit enter and it will give the complete information about what type of application we can create. Here we can create a web application, MVC application, console application. Now I am going to show you how to create a console based application here. So firstly I will change my directory. So I will type here cd. I will go to my desktop directory. So I will write desktop and then just hit enter. You can see that now I am inside the desktop and now I am creating a new console project inside my desktop. So here just write .NET then space then new, then give the project type, what type of project we are creating. Since we are creating a console based application, so we have to write console then space then hyphen then name, and here just give the project name. Let's say I'm giving the project name is demo apps and just hit enter. And now you can see that message, the template console app was created successfully. So let's verify that. So just minimize your command prompt and you can see that in your desktop demo app is created. So just open the project and you can see that demo app is created. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you will get any issue, then comment below. I will be happy to help. Also guys, if you want me to create a video how to run .NET SDK and create a C# and .NET application in Visual Studio Code, then comment below. I will create a video and I will show you how to create a C# and .NET application in Visual Studio Code. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.